Hello, we are from Chung Butterworth High School. The names of the members are Chen Chun, Chua Leon, Lim Chin Ti, Lok Zhen Chun, and Wong Hong Chun, respectively. Here we present to you our idea, Piezoelectric Dancing Platform X Generator.
The problem we are solving are high electricity consumption of school as well as sudden electricity cutting off issue.
Here are the major components we are going to use. Piezoelectric elements from unused piezo buzzers and tiles. It is completely green electricity, is full generated with pressure or dancing.
Now let's look at the drawing. At the drawing, there are piezoelectric elements as well as capacitors.
Now, let's look at the cost required to implement our idea. We need 400 pieces of piezoelectric elements, 36 pieces of springs, 9 pieces of tiles, and 6 pieces of capacitors. We also need some wires, hot glue sticks, and some electronics. How about the overall cost? We made an estimation of about 400 ringgit Malaysian. That's all for our presentation. Thank you.